Yeah. Ba ku bi a wura aka ne purpose ni bi di aba ene se ye pe Ghana nkanko ne Ghana ye yo ne Ghana mpunto pa then ideas ni hia na enye sika shit na wotra mu bi ana
e ba to manti ho ni ye kaka
na me bisa se ensema wura nam campaign Dr. Alhaji Mamadu Bawumia wa kan mu baako purpose ni bi di aba no pe yi a oko tuni se wakasa se Ghana be konkan Ghana be koyi a Ghana be ko nanimu a dia ye hia ye ideas not money sika ena ye bisa se the target here any of the aspirants and now we a general statement I will make
network keeper hello but I'm a target.
Sure. Now maybe says asem ya wakan ye no. Na ye ne contribution to e bia o man munu asem a ye kan na say ye
dia
dia wakasa say o man Ghana betumpon e be kon kan ya. Here ideas not money.
Oh, I said there exactly. Yes, say I can say na ye kono. No kweba ko say penifuli enko mo go dey na say you wuska be bregu bank ye diska ye worker say you see ni ade ntum to aba man na say na ka kamia kwa ye say omo nsem nyina say we say be we ehia ni ana wo de uniska ana wonye sikani abroso a odi obampani but we mu so a menyi say wiase mu omo ebum din se omo ye wiase sika fa kese no omo akose ye wuskenti ye for man se yansa na yemu ye sisi did say din bi say Bill Gates money Warren Buffett money ade de bia in some don we sika for ntinka sa na tie dia sanka ba na America ne ade ngomo no mo hwe o man na so but o man bu no ye mbu o man se fa obotom sika ebe ka kwan mai obi no obetumi nya ne botum sika ye o man ne mu ka kwan nyina obi no wo sika boso a obetumi nya sa sika na ye o man ne mu mpuntu ndwuma nyina ne mu di hia ne se onye obi a obetumi ahwe o man ne japade so na wahye na watoto ne kwan paso ebe ma tememufuo etumi nya sika bebre te se wo dipa na wo ka no entumi nko ba se wo nko na obi sikeni a unko na sika ne se obotom na unko abeti bia mai na mum ekwan ben ene ye be fa so da ya hye de mama nipa dodo na so wo mani mu so tibia bi nya sika te se na nko ko je so de bia ba na oka etwi enim se wo sika eno no ye fanti feel man eno ni asama da sama mudu ba me ka I think say no ye no kwe ba ko a obi entumi nya ni feel say o man ne tete no o man penin die no so be wo wonim die woni sabi hu se power de beto akwa mu no ena beboa ama o man no ne o man fo etumi akwa manim na ye wo sika wo botom ni sika do wo de fie
na we ba ye no na ebi nsu bi sese nanka mo campaign amu ye idie katantwie anase bibisa no nka munyi frim na ideas nko ade nipa ne ba obeye as president kofo former president too free we na nya katantwie ni bia
Debbie won put a asama direct one country country so we no campaign here so enti me ba woni na me ka say Messi school diamond. Nothing will be for ban office and your school down on here. The moon here car coin, or better like I just said, multi school down on here. There be me bar means school down, may car coin amount. Into one put a country, a direct response to an issue other candidates easy. And I think I don't know is allowed in campaign. Catherine Trinity be a worker, send be a sebit. As I'm going to be a young cray and I say, same fata and I say, a boy could see and I say, be ready a year someone direct because we campaign say, Muska, on top of me, no factory, on top of me, bar, may say, and no, any country. Since me, but I make a say, there be all factory back home, you know, enye no ene nyina so a yebetumi ahwe e dia to aba ma o esa ne se factories ya anka nyina no pere no betre Isegon na ye ne ye pa kwa me that fight akodi nkomo na ye de o minus sense because me did say o my open nipa mienu ana enum a omo bie enyuma kese o my mu a oka ho na nka de patient na na asem de na asem ko but anye no na de to show my the era kwa me that fight any doctor and the for support more airpay and they say o mampeni bi beba no de sese ya to akwa mu ebetu ya mo omo ohwo hehe omo na ma mu nyuma timi akoso na yetumi nya despite ahodo ababeka ho na enya for support ahodo ababeka ho eye saa enisadi hu no saa hyehyɛ no ena omo muto aba no omo hwes ejina foto aba ejana de no enye kasentwi eye direct response
yeah saa nkomo we na akosomro kopie mu ewo Ketu South na no Friday na wone delegate ne party maikasa na wodi nsem YouTube na ba ku bi o kan ye biewo ensin se delegate ni nya ahotoso ne gidie ewo numu and all kind of stuff. No, say you have seen what I can do as vice president. And inti obi baby say dia oye as vice president o kan bia no a aya na munuanu mandisi fonzo so aba san enete de agum. Can it sell?
I said dia oye as vice president no. Send this in the kind of Gumudia no any day. Send this in any opponent. If you want to be in Candy, a man on an accordion. But in your manner, as vice president, no. As to whether it will sell or not, it has to do more to. It has more to do with whether I am Ukraine and Ukraine. Mr. Wu, your Barbemu 2017, no. Sena a Ukraine, a walk I am a mibinum, a wound crossing or war, a cat union be moon crossing crossia. It's an in into me do on them. Any more into me do want them see. I to me come say no cry no cry.
No cry.
Great. I say no cry say Obampeni abedi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and no vice president no. Ebo mode ekwa broche memu ekofa de friend of zipline drone system by ene ekoba the entire country ya. Bibi awusi bia no I Matthew anajudo sumu. Se moja ne tu na ope moja owo na aka na opo wedra. Drone to me the bro, Mr. Say no cre. But you say no cre for Mampeni, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia about my way mu 2017. So now him say my way mu. Na acquire fast way the direction. And they say you so kwa we mu say yellow CC, yellow kiosk be container busy ho. We do say yellow kiosk so na atani benkum. Ofa benkum na ko nim say we say light food TTV. Light food in tempe blue kiosk dey to na ko. So na my direction. I am a creditor Mampeni, obviously Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, NDB projects BFNO, National Digital Addressing System, a map every inch of this country, a generating unique ID for every property in this country, including empty land. I am a Sunti and it's my GPS, and so what you Becca Junction. Now, open our wins to Amaya, Ingisobia, Nippon sending a location, Bibiana Mawa. Which my drive is ship house at Becca Junction, Aqua our win. Say no cresa. As I say no cresa, and Namsa be winty. Ama and no social media. And meant to be Brina, it's me delivery services upon the amount of social media. And no cresa of Mampeni, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Babemuno. Now, MTN mobile money. To me send this car and call Vodafone money. To me send this car and call Airtel money. And it's a to be idea. That's who use MTN mobile money. Then the panel number I have Vodafone. That's a winning into me digger. This a 190 vendor. Sorry, or Vodafone cash. No one send you. And you're no question about Bemuno. And now Mampeni abedi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And the mobile money interoperability by and ama so we a friend is a Voda cash. We are MTN Momo. We are to go there and there. You need to send this camera and who I may be a different book or how be anim. I never know can say and see wow, I never quite everything say. And I'm sorry interoperability and so na and ne. What if you know what you escape your bank account over to mobile money so? We be send this camera to mobile money so now fees on person be down mobile money this one. Now we pia now they are what they are to bank account embre bi a opebia na we na wo de bidwa se no so ye no kre
yeah
and no kre you hello
metio pa
enti sami ma we nyina ye no ma aye no kra etinje bi enu ho a o mampeni abede fie Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia e de ba o manyimu a se o ka se eno ni sese ya o de aba eboa o man no akonya bebre so nti no ya for man na ka san ne nsa na ohwe na onye bi nka ho a eno no to anwe gu manye yiwu to anwe gu ma bi ya obeya ne se e be ma wo no weni age kakra but enso fa no kwe no enso fa the fact say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia e de sakra bebre aba e kwa e fa so ye dida wo yo man mu ame na uko me si emrante dodo a e wo Snapchat and Instagram and TikTok are as a result of mobile money interoperability, digital addressing system, any national ID system. Sani ema miensa we in a kaboom and a ma Ghana e-commerce and I say jodi on internet no apeja essence ni eba beto no because you see first no when you be kasa mobile phone so be a WhatsApp na or stop party if you wa we show because people know the corner when you can akwa your program but nay what the national ID card and register or SIM card no and no one now they your registration for young go ne boat ne the cake ho and no one now they your bank account and no one now they your mobile money wallet it is only be bigger that's any person or party if you wa we show it's not say only say nipa no say when tia and say the background at least o kwa be so between the afana dey trace nipa no ebiem se wo de niama no so ekra do kwa komo bi anya fe no be je bi say o na container blue bi sia e na local kios debi and one say wo send location na ma no na be bia wo bia nipa de wa de na bro no wetia ne ka no no so ni say den aka ne sika sa niama we no untumi nkasa ntungu sa niama we no untumi hwia nwia emfe ngum e life changing programs projects and policies are o mampeni abedi etire a ono na enyo ono akasaka na man nse nsawo ba niama kakra de ni si so obeye no otum kaya ba nipa ababom niama mebobọ chewi emu dia he na wo bedi etire say the absolute impact about the life of the Ghanaian citizen o can national health insurance card national health insurance card ansa na mampeni na na dan kweku for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be ba aban mu national health insurance card expire. Now renew it take you about 3 months, maybe 4 months. And then it's the digital platform of Mampeni Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de buy into. When national health insurance card, no, so could do hospital now who say I expire. We you cry so doctor didn't pay what one another short code and renew national health insurance card. Now mobile money, now this year. That is what we call impact. That is what leadership is all about. Making little changes in the lives of the people. And these things, you know, a political opponent can always attempt say, we talk it away. But it doesn't change the fact that it has made lasting impact in the lives of the people. It's a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say, Yantu Abamano. Na Ombra Mayo Mampeni, Nani Oma ye as Omampeni Abediche, no, or to be a Binkamwa. Emuka Kebini, Metra Bobo Mako, Ediasa, 33 policies are. Each of them have direct impact on the life of the Ghanaian citizen. It's Odika Pam.
Na former vice say or the abroach be Ghana. Kwambenso. Abroach ni fano no de be. Was in so many ways. Adeba kwana owo position and baby can say on my way. The entire society, any economy, is so informal to the extent that Nunti, a maximum of 4 quiet, and my Yaman Kaka be on Mobile, mobile here, my boy will be my about the digital addressing system, my mobile money interoperability, my about how these things help with e-commerce, how it helps with modernizing our society. But think about it. Look at the 2024 campaign. Now, the Bakwa or Mampeni ability Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Eka Wasempa. Any digital addressing system. Okay. Mr. Digital addressing, the credit scoring system. Yeah.
Okay, credit scoring system.
Yeah.
Adia Bakwa Magani ni ebre ewo my way
okay, FM.
Cash and carry.
101.7.
Adia Bakwa Magani ni bre ewo my way cash and carry. Emilia, ko to quiet, my Oba 19-year-old, into Quanco American, Namano from and then November, a couple next year, June. Or that's what I say, what to see and our car. Ube Bisarno, and yes, our first car to few. But because we year, Juma by 7, 8, 9 months. 7, 8, 9 months, and also, Otubinya Kakasa and Hunti. A buy no ashe, and no money was Aquawi, Bosu be out to me the bear $2,000. Sana Tedia, ye be a few way manner. A son is able to me to me $2,000 in tea. Obit me by $500, $600 every month. Not if you're not in India. It's in Nippon within 6 months. No, according mortgage, and our copper car. Bosu be a $200 or the car. Near $600. Now $800. I can $1,200. On bread to say Ghana near branch of thing kind. Our pesca, I said no pesca auto dine, upper dine one can have 3 bedrooms. There's $200,000, $300,000, $150,000. Oh, Pastor Seattle one can have. There's $200,000. Only be. Ebi now, or ye Juma can cut Bob one no bit to the atom. Bob was $200,000 on the baby, you know. Now it's 50 years. Now that's so high dying. It's our high dying. She can come to me more on money calling him. But Britino and Tessa, a Britino, what's in your quite now dining, and now throw kind. Now, Busumi are Tonka using what we call the credit scoring system. That credit scoring system, no, Ebi Nigana. And none of Dr. Mahmoud Bamiaka say, you bet to me the Abagana. The answer bet to the Abagana and say, and she say, one any Acadia say a yafahono. Yaya Babadum Pembes will be. For example, maybe the national registry ID system no trail, maybe the digital addressing system no trail, maybe the synchronizing the national ID system with the various touch points. And now Uganda card number and your tax identification number. Uganda card number and a year pensions and also social security number. Uganda card number and they register with business. Uganda card number and they register with SIM card. Send them away your cardia. So person will move it towards the credit scoring system. And so to me, and no, Dr. Mahmoud Bamiani MPP abandoned the card designer many na to Kwemu. It is a case of Abuche Babagana. About the fund Yamana, ya set as a foundation. Now quickly, no, you the credit scoring system number. Not Sanya Mana Costa Abuche and Binigana. A beer to me, I think, Abba, make me a Bonioma Bibria. It says Dr. Mahmoud Bamiaka for the Abuche Babagano, which in the Abba. Menokasi, the Chinese studio. Isaac Retui, besides Isaac Sotui, say, Onya, Mercedes Benz be able to be a better no, Abia, 1,200 Ghana cities on Pana, Bisano. But I already do a Ghana. But a Botero, what to be called Jacano. Who bet you Abia 2 years, 1 year, no kind of rubber. Now the outing will not call, no according to one, now go to Tia. Mobile phone, on some $1,000 on Cotton mobile phone, baby. Your payment plan, Okoji mobile phone, which will be a $20. Phone for bar, what did the outcome Okoji new one? That is what Dr. Mahmoud Bamia means by bringing Abuche to Ghana. You see, what it does, and it says, Emma on my Nimutina, Emma Timemufo, no more to me, the Magia is beautiful. Now, the idea, the idea, baby, the end, and no enemy among Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, I can say, a soft things. And you never be as a sort of boss and our say, never on mouthfuls or Mukomu to the Ghana. He has up.
Hello. Now, Yane Dennis Miracle Aboagye, aide to the former Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mamadu Bawumia, the former flag bearer of the NPP.
Okay. 1017.
And like I say, you say better answer to Frank and Biu. Dr. Alhaji Mamadu Bawumia ni aide. There is Miracle Aboagye. And I know Ekasana. Unfortunately, we've lost him on the line. Bringing the time to 19 minutes after 9. Adiachi be alive on OK 101.7 FM. So any na yepim ko enimu ano. Yenhwe sense be kan biu na yentu ankoma no so. Yewa akafra amana te ko.
Because of Fatami. Eti sanu ma we no. Aye no me bia ehunhia se yebetumi nya wo manga ne mu. na ma obia ti o man ni mu a no so no ho timi ato no eye bibia na se eye enuade ni mogya na fe ne se mekohye ni atesire nya bi eno no dia do sama mu do ba me aka se o dia buchi be ba Ghana no.
All right. Na budget me nya won won kan ho asem minim se campaign my busy when you adaje etie bia hwema kenkan bia won say
o say unim say asem bia de bia me no kasa me no kan say let's give time some time yema emre ankasa no emre ankasa wo hi emre ankasa wotimi ma emre ye de say eni say kasa ne yan kan yi pe na wa obi do anu akokosi bone say won po mani yi me how ba ko pa me wo budget no ne say NDC aban no omo nye ene yen edini yi omo mfa no kredi ene yen ntuna we bo ma aban mu no o ba pro no o ba Ghana fo ho be ka specific ne amebi awo o si eno na o ba be yo mo man no it is a ba na so ba be budget a bia ye expecting say niema a wo se wo ba wo be ye no eno na wo de se budget ni mu na wo ba be ya man na wo cancer fo nchen na wo be nya tumi a wa ya de fo na wo se ye mo nsem ma the biggest flagship campaign message MDC the ba ba mu what they call the 24-hour economy meboa when you say MDC about they have 4 budgets to read no more by next we budget o me read kan wa o me read 2 technically NDC about na kasa technically akomo budget mienu no kra no ba ko ye in the year 2028 I don't know election year and so practically power no effectively they have 1 more budget left and their tender is over. Can you tell me how when you believe that so-called 24-hour economy from the Maoma you are going to implement it? Play in the budget. My allocating 100 my first budget more far allocated and shown for 24-hour economy. My second budget more than 110 million Ghana cedis and our budget we say for 24-hour economy. Meanwhile, more customer catcher and say more develop a policy you call 24-hour economy policy, and that policy will require about $4 billion or so to be able to implement it. That $4 billion now you need to implement the 24-hour economy now. You have allocated 110 million in your second budget now. How many more budgets do you have? How much are you going to allocate for to be able to make up for the 4 billion? Meanwhile, your promise on the 24-hour economy was straight, direct, without any ambiguity. We say, you will make sure say you may be a nipa mi and son a day. Enti say abaye juma nipa mi and son a day. In fact, over kaya, omo ya advert square to say bank krano. If a juma and I do so midnight. Enti we ba no kwa na we upon, na we abe na we upon, na we abe na we upon. O mampeni John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, catch and say, Boomerang night club, they will run 24 hours. It's by this time about 9:20, that club, no, it's so. Ghana for sure, or Germany, will be no catch. In fact, or catch and say, another 2 a.m. on the football. Need not a 24-hour economy, no. Where is that in the budget? And when you were budgeting, there are millions of young Ghanaians that they killed to vote for this government because the government promised them, say, they will give them jobs. And these jobs were going to come through an all-day round-the-clock work system they were going to introduce. Where is the 24-hour economy policy in the budget? This government told the people of this country, say, their way of getting private sector to run 24-hour economy was to give them subsidized electricity. That is what they told us. That they will give them off-peak electric tariffs here. And they encourage you to be able to work around the clock and employ 3 people for current jobs and Nipa Bakuneye. Where is that policy? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? You see, where is it? And see, I have decided to not comment too much about the budget because budget today, our plans and yet they are obey. They are for 2025 budget your pass here. Now, what say, a musa no capital expenditure. The community budget to the say omo de beye infrastructure any ade no omo use even 40% in product he they didn't release even 40%. It's a budget there and maybe I should be excited about. Go and check the previous budget. The amount of money they allocated from the baby women development bank. Or just a Muslim no release here for the setup of the women development bank. Almost like the 400 million I set 2026 the now ba kono kura 50 something million when release. Now 446 now be release. So maybe to be very honest, I won't lie to you. Yeah, as MPC, yeah, we you know, and yan say, and see, Okasa baby, I have a problem. Yen Jani in the sound here. He said, baby, you do not say a two, yam two, and this are by no to mean Pamomo. Almost 2 years when I can be so much. And see, Omoja Jumana, Neko do baby, a fedie, Omojumani Sia, Nafia Beppen Sempensemu, near best of any aqua. But Osha budget my idea, me who hope to be our budget simply because the Omka from a bar on Bayamaya as on mine, and yeah, no, and nobody has said Omo budget room. Osha, Siko, which was on the Kokoshe, Omo the Court Office of Government Machinery, Presidency. Omo the catcher and some Mampenia Kufado, ministers doors 120. In Tomo Bar, on better so Omo about 50. Omo by almost about 50 almost a month and more. Now, Obe ministers 50. That's how we nowadays. Obe technical advisors, ne presidential staffers, ne presidential aides, 2,000. Now for so ben on mine, you know. Or should the number of presidential staffers a good presidency? Or more presidential staffers will be at the regional level. Who the presidential staffer? Presidential staffer, a deputy minister. Me, I was a presidential staffer in the second term.
Okay.
Salary, the position, me, everything was the level of a deputy minister of state. That was what my position was. Open my type of presidential staffer. Now the Kasegana for say, what's the ministers in the ministers were? You are being dishonest to the people who voted you into office. But again, it will not be me miracles to say it. Let's give ourselves time. When the time comes, the Ghanaian people will see exactly what it is that we are talking about. Oma increase the amount of allocation of the Office of Government Machinery. Oma bohom no mo ko no mo tete no mo tete mo ho. Obu wiya no ma be catch us ministers e fa yen no so. The amount of money that this government is spending on running government machinery, it is a Kufado there mo be edu 10 times more than how much Kufado spent on government machinery. Meanwhile, Musi Munis Kabru Befa nurses. There are over 150,000 nurses on Musi, you know. Finance Minister Bill Lumuton said they cannot absorb them. And yet, you want to promise them in their various schools and told them, say, Oba, you are going to recruit all of them. And that you are going to ensure, say, Omubeye Juma, how do you reconcile this with the promises that you made to the people? Now, in this campaign for no, so you make such big promises to the people, and then blatantly you fail in this manner.
We are okay, no. As a pagan against Chronicle, the Wakrata, page 2. The Industrial and Commercial Workers Union, ICCU. Chronicle capture to view of the 2026 budget. Say a budget that gives hope for the future, a forward looking. Be another muhuna, the omuhu.
I ebi aso do muhu na so yemi hu de entwen why entwen ebi aso do muhu ela so de ameso mi hu to de entwen I see so mele ba e ti e nyina me no ka say aka mu be about 1122 days bi enti entwen yam bom pa ni ense nyankopon aho de mi nyankopon nkwa e me no so ayi ba de sisi why entwen yeah
is it a campaign next location here?
Oh, you're central region. You're central region. I'm not paying me no because you're room central region. In the next few days, you're very central region. Now, then each of the constituencies, everything else is not yielding. You're hearing me say, each day and the day in the central region, and come with the area.
That's no brand.